What is up, guys? If you want to change the profile picture on Monopoly Go, what you need to do, guys, you just need to connect your Facebook, because you can't really change it. As you can see from the website, it says here, unlike other games, you can't directly change your profile picture. Instead, you will have to use your Facebook account. Now that's what I'm going to be showing you, guys. You want to open the app on your phone. Okay, as you can see, this is Monopoly Go. I'm just going to open it. Okay, I'm going to open the game right now. So to change, guys, the profile picture, like I said, it's very different from other games. Like you can other games, you can just go to the settings and you can change the profile picture. But on this game, it's different. You need to connect your Facebook account, and they are going to use the profile picture that is on your Facebook account. Okay, so if you want to change the profile picture, you actually have to go to Facebook and change it there. Okay, hopefully it makes sense. Now after you open, guys, the app, after you change the profile picture inside your Facebook account, you want to click on these three little lines in the top right, and you will see here at the bottom, you can see there's connect Facebook. So if you connect Facebook, or you can just click on friends at the very bottom right, click on friends, and you want to click on Facebook, and then you want to click confirm, and you just need to add your Facebook. Okay, you just need to add here your Facebook account. And after you connect, guys, Facebook to Monopoly Go, then the profile picture will be changed to the profile picture that is inside your own Facebook account. Okay, so you can either click on at the bottom right, friends, or you can just click three little lines in the top right. As you can see, these three little lines, and you will see there's something called connect Facebook. It's blue. Click on it and then connect Facebook account, and that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments what you need, guys. I reply to everyone, so drop a like.